Hello, in this video I am going to show you the SizedBox class. So essentially allows you to create a box with a specified size. So the items within it, which in this case is an image, I'll get rid of this commented outline. So this image right here, as you can see, it allows you to essentially change the size. It doesn't stretch you or anything or crop it. It just allows you to, change the size. So I've got this image as a child. I've got another child which is a container. I'm going to change this to make it a size box. We just put size box, and the only properties that it takes is the child, and this is to be spelled correctly. So it's already got the child, and it can take a width and a height. So if I put width, and let's say if I put 90 for example, and it takes a double, and if I save that, as you can see it's a lot smaller, but the ratio is still maintained in terms of the aspect ratio of the image. Change this to 300 now. It's bigger, but still it has the same ratio. You can set a height as well. Recommend as an extra task doing that, doing the width and the height, just doing the height on its own, trying to relate it to its actual aspect ratio. That's all the SizedBox does. Creates a box with a specified size, and the contents inside of it will get smaller if they need to. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.